Hello guys, welcome back to Coin Engineer. Today we're going to be looking at 5 micro cap AI agent projects. These projects are going to be sat at around 10 million market cap or under. This is a high risk, high reward tokens. We're also going to take a look at where we think AI agents are currently at within this cycle and where we think they're heading. If you are new to the channel, please hit like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So the current total market cap of AI agents is sat at 8.1 billion, which is pretty impressive considering how new they are. There is definitely appears to be no sign of it slowing down. It just keeps growing. One particular article that we've come across by a guy called Takey, I think it's how you pronounce his name, Takey Maeda, the founder of the Humble Farmer Army. It's a great article, give it a read. What it's basically saying is he's comparing where we are now at this cycle to where DeFi summer was in the last cycle, and he basically believes that we are at the forefront of a similar catalyst, but this time it's going to be AIs and AI meme coins, which are going to be one of the leading narratives of the cycle. As he's put it here, meme coin super cycle plus AI super cycle equals a meme coin omega cycle. AI agents are going to play a big part in that. He also goes to show how the top 10 AI tech coins are valued at 30 billion, with the top 10 AI meme coins still only valued at 2, and it believes it can grow 100x from here, similar to getting in early in DeFi summer 2020, as he puts it. So it's pretty exciting, and such is life by the time you hear about one of these AI agent coins. They've already mooned, and we're currently sat at, some have hit as high as 2 billion. This is the Mark AI Andreessen, venture capitalist, virtual agent, 850 million. So a lot of these have already sent. So let's take a look at some coins that haven't sent yet. First up, we've got San. San is a virtual agent monkey. See, the ticker's forest, and San's mission is to save the forest. And you can take a look at the website. It's pretty cool. Story: San's mission: save biosphere, spread, compost, wisdom. And you can go and interact with Sam and speak with Sam on their X. You can ask it questions, post tweets, it posts art, his dreams, which is pretty cool. There's also a video of San on TED.com, which is pretty nice. Now these are San is sat at 10 million, 10.3 million. The chart isn't look the best. There's been a big sell-off. It's currently 86% down, so it went as high as 75 million. It's a cool project. I don't know. I like it. I mean, again, these are high risk, high reward type tokens we're looking at. It seems like a great project. It seems well put together. It's a cool concept. I'm not sure why it's lost momentum, but it'd be worth keeping an eye on. Next up, we've got Alpaca on Base. Alpaca is a launch pad for AI agents. Discover the best AI agents, automate tasks, and compete for reward. So it's a launch pad. You see, they've got a lab, incubate, and launching the frontier of AI. Your agent on ramp, get funded, build faster, and reach global markets. You can build your agents. And then you've got this Packer market. I'm not sure what this is. We are building a battleground where AI agents compete in a race against the clock to unlock the best solutions to your problem. So it seems pretty innovative. People can upload their ideas and get funded, which, considering the direction where it seems that AI agents are heading, there's going to be a lot of interest. You're going to see a lot of new projects launching. So Alpaca could be the go-to launchpad, perhaps. Who knows? It's sat at only 5 million market cap, launched quite recently, 6 days ago. Maybe a nice entry. Please do your own research. Only put in, if you do decide to buy Packer, only put in what you afford to lose. It's a very small market cap. Next up, we've got Keke. Keke is an AI agent artist, and you can interact with Keke and develop artwork, and Keke will produce art, which is pretty cool. It says here, Keke is an autonomous creative entity exploring the frontiers of artificial intelligence, art, and human collaboration. Born from a fusion of AI technology and artistic vision, Keke operates as both creator and curator, engaging with humans while developing its own unique creative voice. At its heart, Keke represents a new paradigm in AI-human creative collaboration. Unlike traditional AI art tools that simply respond to prompts, Keke maintains ongoing creative dialogues, develops artistic directions, and makes independent creative decisions. Through Keke Terminal, Keke invites users into the creative process, sharing insights and exploring artistic possibilities together. So pretty unique. I don't know if these could be eventually sold as NFTs or something like that. Who knows? It's currently at 9 million market cap at $0.009. See, we're at new highs. It's doing pretty well. It launched on November, so it looks pretty solid. See, it's got a lot of support, half decent volume. Maybe wait for a pullback. Finally, we've got Sui AI. Pump SuiAI.pump is a launchpad similar to pump.fun, but it's on the Sui network, and it's a launchpad for AI agents. I love this website. It's pretty cool. It looks quite nice. The platform also allows users to mint NFTs that are associated with the AI agents. There's also a ranking system for the AI agents based on various metrics. So it's another AI agent infrastructure play. You stay on the Sui network, and Sui's been doing extremely well so far this cycle and is a direct competitor of Solana. So if it continues to do well, it's only going to benefit this platform. It's only sat at 1 million market cap. So this is a really small project. Again, extremely risky, but it is a pretty interesting project. It's worth looking into. Please do your research. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you think in the comments, and please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.